Hello, fellow seniors. This is Mark from Crypto for Seniors, a proud part of the Midwest Mining Company, and just like you, I'm part of the golden generation. In our digital era, it's just as important for us seniors to stay updated with technological advancements, and this includes the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. We have spent years building our retirement, or you may be building yours right now. The closer we get to that retirement age, our investments become even more critical, and while these digital assets offer great potential for our retirement plans, they also come with an increased need for security. That is going to be the main topic of today's video. It's not just about the kind of security that keeps our homes safe, but the kind that shields our hard-earned investments from the prying eyes of hackers, online fraudsters, and even that nosy relative who always seems overly interested in our affairs. From taking the time to write down passwords and seed phrases, to getting grips with the pros and cons of different crypto wallets. All of these are essential practices for us no matter what age you are to protect our investments. After all, we've worked hard for them, and with a little effort, you can keep them safe. Now, on to a touchy subject. One thing to bear in mind is that while storing your crypto on exchanges may seem convenient, it's akin to leaving your house key under the doormat. Not really a good idea with today's culture. It makes it all too easy for you to lose some of all of your assets and potentially your confidential information. Today, we're going to cover the best practices for securing your crypto specifically tailored to us, the older and wiser generation. So let's get started. Our first tip, particularly for our senior audience, is to write down your passwords and seed phrases. You might ask why, especially in our golden years, is that significant? The answer is simple. While our wisdom grows with age, our memory might not always be as reliable. Engaging with the digital world can seem rather intimidating. Passwords and seed phrases are the gatekeepers to your digital assets, and forgetting them or misplacing them can mean losing access to your crypto. As such, it's essential to maintain a written record. But what do we mean by written, especially for those of us who might prefer traditional methods? Are we suggesting scribbling it down on a sticky note or typing it into a digital document? Not quite. We're talking about a good old-fashioned physical ledger. A book where you can write down all your passwords and seed phrases. This way, even if your computer crashes or gets hacked, your access keys are safe, just like the good old times. And where should this ledger be kept? In a safe place, of course. It could be a locked drawer or a safety deposit box. Remember first and never share your passwords or seed phrases with anyone, not even with your grandchildren. Next, we'll address the importance of regularly changing your passwords. Now, I can almost hear you thinking, at my age, I've got enough to remember as is. But please, bear with me. Regularly altering your passwords is a crucial part of keeping your digital assets, like those precious photos of your grandchildren or your online banking, secure. Consider your password as a key to a vault where you keep all your valuable and sentimental possessions. The longer you use the same key, the higher the chances are that someone could duplicate it. You wouldn't want a stranger to have a copy of your house key, would you? Well, the same principle applies to your passwords. The digital world, much like the one, is full of potential threats, and cybercriminals are always on the lookout for easy targets, including unsuspecting seniors. By changing your passwords often, you're continuously changing the lock on your vault, making it much harder for anyone to break in. So, make it a habit to change your passwords regularly, just like you would with your smoke detector. Your digital assets will thank you for it. Our third tip is about utilizing different crypto wallets, a strategy particularly useful for seniors. So you've got your cryptocurrency and you're ready to secure it. But where do you put it? Well, there are many different types of wallets you can use, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. Let's discuss a couple of popular ones, starting with the Ledger wallet. Ledger, a hardware wallet, is like a digital safe for your cryptocurrencies. It's offline, which means it's less susceptible to hacking attempts and online threats. However, it requires a bit of technical know-how to set up and use, so it may not be the best choice for everyone. Next, there's Tangem. Tangem is a bit different and quite user-friendly. It's a physical card that stores your cryptocurrency using a tap of your phone. It's easy to use, just like a debit card. You simply load your crypto onto it and you're good to go. But again, it's offline, so you need to keep it safe, just you would with cash or a credit card. Now, you may be wondering, why use multiple wallets? Well, having multiple wallets can increase your security, Think of it like this: if you have all your eggs in one basket, and that basket gets stolen, you've lost all your eggs. But if you have your eggs spread out in different baskets, even if one gets stolen, you still have the others. Moreover, using different wallets allows you to take advantage of the unique features each one offers. For instance, you might use a ledger for long-term storage of your investments, a tangent for everyday transactions, and a software wallet on your computer for quick access to your funds. Finally, it's important to remember that no matter what wallets you choose, it's crucial to keep your private keys and passwords secure. Write them down, store them in a safe place, and never share them with anyone. Remember, diversifying wallets can help secure your assets. Now let's address an issue you might face when considering where to store their crypto, like on exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. These platforms, while user-friendly and convenient, could pose a problem for our older population who may not be as tech-savvy. They can be a hotbed for potential security issues. Cybercriminals often target these exchanges, hoping to access our digital assets. There have been unfortunate instances where these attempts have been successful. Furthermore, these exchanges, being centralized entities, are also susceptible to operational issues such as server downtime or even bankruptcy. This is particularly worrying for our senior population. As let's face it, we are slow to accept new technologies. The safety of a bank helps us to sleep better. Look, I get it, I was just like you, 4 years ago, when I first started to try to mine Bitcoin. So, this brings to a solution, something even our new-to-crypto friends can easily adopt. The answer lies in cold wallets. Now, we talked about it before, but this is that important when considering leaving your money on exchanges or the safety of a hard wallet. These are offline storage options for your cryptocurrencies. They're akin to personal safes and are immune to online threats that exchanges face. Your digital assets are stored securely, and only you have the keys to access. It's a proactive step towards ensuring the safety of your hard-earned digital wealth, especially for our seniors. It's simple. For better security, regardless of your age, use a cold wallet. Last but not least, my dear seniors, let's delve into the importance of maintaining updates and quality cybersecurity protection on your computer. You see, the world of technology is a fast-paced one. New vulnerabilities, bugs, and threats emerge every day. Just like the daily crossword puzzles in your newspaper. It's a continuous race between the good guys, that's us, and the bad guys, the cyber criminals. Now think of updates as your first line of defense, akin to locking your front door each night. They patch up any discovered vulnerabilities, making it harder for cyber criminals to exploit them. When you as a senior neglect to update your software, you're essentially leaving your front door wide open for these bad guys. It's like saying to a stranger, "Come on in, my house is yours, but trust me, my seasoned friends, you don't want these fellows in your house." Moving on to cybersecurity protection, this is your sturdy, unyielding wall. It's what stands between your valuable data, including your hard-earned pension or savings, and those who want to steal them. It's like having a loyal watchdog never sleeps, always alert and ready to pounce on any intruder. You might be thinking, but Mark, cautious with what I do and where I go online, do I, as a senior, really need cybersecurity protection? The answer is a resounding yes. Cyber threats are not only lurking in the shady corners of the internet, they can be hidden in plain sight, disguised in emails, in downloadable files, even in the most legitimate-looking websites. And let's not forget about malware, the silent, stealthy thief. It can sneak into your system unnoticed, much like a cat burglar, quietly siphon off your data and even take control of your computer. A robust cybersecurity protection system will detect and neutralize these before they can do any harm. So, my dear seniors and those new to crypto, let's not make it easy for bad guys. Stay vigilant, keep your software updated, and ensure you have strong cybersecurity protection. Remember, in the world of the internet, your security plan for accessing crypto online is always your first goal before investing your first dollar. It's better to be safe than sorry. Well, by now you have learned a few tips and tricks to keep you safe. So keep your software updated and invest in good cybersecurity protection. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the importance of written records, emphasizing to our seniors the necessity of jotting down passwords and seed phrases in a ledger and storing it safely, much like how one keeps important documents secure. We've also emphasized the need to frequently change your passwords, an old practice that remains crucial in keeping your digital assets secure. We've toured through various crypto wallets, such as Ledger and Tangem. We've specifically outlined the risks of keeping your crypto on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Zelcore, and how using a cold wallet can significantly lessen these risks. Additionally, I have explained the importance of regular updates and installing top-notch cybersecurity protection, particularly the one you use for managing your crypto assets. This might be a new concept, but each step plays a pivotal role in securing your crypto, and it's essential. Remember to implement them slowly and carefully. That's all for today. Remember, securing your crypto is crucial. One important note, this is not financial advice. We encourage you to do your own research and stay safe, stay secure. Well, our journey comes to an end. If you, our esteemed viewer, enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing to the channel. Remember, Crypto for Seniors is where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge.